What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Jack Up Your English, and today we're starting a new feature, and it is Phrasal Verb of the Week. Yes, you heard correctly. We're going to look at phrasal verbs. There are more than 6,000 phrasal verbs in the English language, and some of these phrasal verbs can have up to 4 or 5 different meanings. So that's a lot of different ways you can express yourself. So from today, we are going to chip away at these phrasal verbs and look at them one by one and all their different meanings. So the first phrasal verb that we're going to start with is take off. So take off can have 4 different meanings depending on how you use it in a sentence. So let's go look at the first meaning. To become airborne, to lift off from the ground, especially when flying. And an example, if we use it in a sentence, we can say, the plane will take off in 5 minutes. So that's the first meaning. Let's go look at the second meaning. To remove something, to take something off your body, like clothes or a hat. And an example we can use, she took off her dress when she got home from work. Let's move on to meaning number 3. To leave suddenly or quickly and often without informing others. And another example we can use is John just took off from the party without telling anyone. And then our final meaning number 4, and that is to become successful quickly, to experience a rapid growth or success, often suddenly. And our final example, how we can use this in context, is her business took off after she launched the online store. So there we have it, take off with its 4 different meanings. Did you know all 4 different meanings? And which ones do you use the most? Let me know in the comments below, and I hope this video was helpful. And if there are any other phrasal verbs you'd like me to cover, also drop the message in the comment below and I'll make the video for you. So that wraps it up for today. Thank you so much for watching, for liking, for subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.